Nidhi Gambhir is a woman of many talents, many facets of life. She has seen so much and she has given so much that we cannot expect her to take back. All she knows is how to give. She is a woman of gratitude, she is a woman of fortitude, and she is a woman of grace. What she does is something with lot of affection and love, which other people cannot do. Nidhi Gambhir started her schooling from Convent of Jesus and Mary in Delhi, and she worked her way up gradually to other important stations in life. Her current station in life is that of a assistant general manager in a company called Rise. She is selling projects in Greece, Dubai, and on the Gurgaon Dwarka Expressway. Despite her domestic life, which demands a lot of attention, she is able to take time off to give Rise International a rise in their sales for their projects. Here's wishing Vidhi Gambhir a very happy journey onto her new career and onto her hosting the, the show with Mr. Khetrawal. Thank you, Nidhi. Bye bye.
Good evening, Nidhi.
Yeah, should I give you my introduction first?
Yeah, I got a brief about you from Mr. Rajiv. You are right now working with a real estate company.
Yes. So, if you allow me, I can give you a little brief about myself.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, Mr. Yash, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, Mr. Yash, I'm Nidhi Gambhir from Gurgaon,
Okay.
and I'm 53-year-old woman, single mother of two daughters. My
Okay.
elder daughter is married and settling in Australia, and the
Okay.
other one is 20 who is studying in Canada.
Right.
So, nevertheless, I'm working for a real estate company after working in different platforms since 2014.
Okay.
And earlier, I started my career in real estate with a developer called TDI, Taneja Developers in Delhi. And
Right.
pursuing to that, now I'm working as a sales general manager in sales in Rise Infra Ventures, which is based in Gurgaon, having 5 offices and a strength of 250 people working.
Okay.
And they have sale of 3,000 CR annually. So
Great.
we are dealing, I am being a sales head, I'm selling the projects, new fresh launches of Gurgaon, Dwarka Expressway, and we even sell projects in Dubai and Greece, that is part of Europe, and Cyprus, again another part of Europe. And
Great.
we even, sell projects in Mukteshwar and Rishikesh. So,
Okay.
having a real estate background and the platform, so we deal with everything related to real estate. Now, switching over to you, I would like to know about you, Mr. Yash.
Nidhi, I have spent my life in pharma industry. I started as a medical representative in 1975 at the age of 20. And ever since I have been into pharma, developed myself into sales, marketing, product management, product development, of course, marketing, sales, HR, pharma training, product training, motivational skills training, selling skills training. And right now I am into late 60s, but I'm one of the, you can say, oldest young men in the pharma industry and have tried to accomplish myself in most of the aspects of pharma selling.
That's so
Right
wonderful.
now, yeah. Right now, I'm working as a CEO in a pharmaceutical manufacturing unit with Yasha Pharmaceuticals. which is WHO GMP certified. We are into domestic sales, we are into exports, we are into tender business, we are into PCD business. I'm
Beautiful.
heading a team of about 300 people, and
Mm.
my job is to oversee the entire operations of the country, of the company.
Very enterprising.
Yeah. Besides that, I keep going to some colleges, pharmacy colleges, to give small lectures to guide the students on the career goals, and motivating them, identifying their needs and their doing some aptitude test and guiding them to the right. In pharma is a vast field. In which field eventually they want to zero in, I just try to guide them towards that.
Okay. That's so wonderful.
And
Very
I'm married
enterprising.
for the last now almost 4 decades. And my wife
Okay.
is a beautiful homemaker. My
Mm.
daughter, Riddhi, she is a
And I really
scientist.
respect you for, very beautifully you have presented your wife as a homemaker maker.
Obviously. And
Otherwise,
it's
then
because of her I could achieve so much in life.
absolutely
We
correct.
all had our ups and downs, and we had all our turmoils, happy moments. But we tied over everything and sticking together. With the basic understanding is always there. My daughter, she is a scientist working in a research-based company as a QA head, and my son-in-law is a multinational. He's a branch manager for North into an American pharma company, which is they manufacture high-end products for pharma industry.
Okay.
My son is in Mumbai. Though he is an engineer and a marketing postgraduate, but he listened to his heart. He is a screenplay, story, and dialogue writer in TV industry, and
Oh,
has done many successful projects. And my daughter-in-law also is from the same field. They found each other while working in Star TV, and
okay.
she's from Goa, my daughter-in-law, and they both are
Okay.
married and happily settled in Mumbai right now.
Okay. Wonderful.
This is in brief about my family.
So again, starting and heading to the rest of the conversation, firstly, I would again apologize and request for my camera off because of there was no electricity in our phase. I stay in DLF phase 2, and due to no electricity, I'm like being connected through the Airtel mode where
Okay,
too much we cannot the Zoom link is not linked properly, so my
I can
Wi-Fi is not
understand.
working.
More
So
important is I can hear you, na.
yeah, that is true.
But
So
had it been
I
audio visual, then the motivation level would have been different actually.
absolutely correct. So me being connected
You
on
can see each
mobile,
other's expressions, which
no
anyways.
worries, many more to come,
Uh,
many more to come. But I don't know, there was some problem in electrical phase, so that is why I could not log into my laptop.
no issues. No issues.
Mobile, they don't, the connectivity is very poor, and the video, if I connect with the video, then Zoom link will not be appropriate.
I
Anyways,
understood.
carrying over to certain more things on the conversation, we there are certain hobbies I believe we should discuss and
Yeah,
about our
definitely.
yeah.
I am
So
apart from my pharmaceutical, which is my profession, my passion is writing actually.
oh wow, that's so wonderful.
I write small pieces, some poems. I contribute actively in social media. I'm a
Mm.
blogger also. Every second day, I have one of my small pieces are published in local newspapers here on
Okay.
any socially relevant topic.
Mm.
So these are my hobbies basically.
Okay, so writing is your hobby.
Writing is my hobby. Yeah.
So if I talk about myself, I don't have any fixed hobbies, but it depends upon my maybe because I get attracted to many things. I want to do everything in life. Basically,
Okay.
that is what my basic nature is. My Shukra is very strong, having number 6. So I like to
Wow.
do everything, and I've done everything in my life. Be it if when I was young, I liked badminton, so I enrolled in badminton, and adding to that swimming, and then even I learned Bharatnatyam. And
Uh-huh.
there's a phase of time when, you can do certain things, and I wish to do
Absolutely,
everything.
absolutely.
So I have even learned Bharatnatyam, and very lately, at the age of 50, I would say,
Ah,
I wanted to fulfill my dream by
there's
learning
no age to
salsa.
learn a new skill.
Yeah, so it's like I don't have any fixed hobby. I would say that I'm doing it since I'm born. That
Mhm.
but yes, if you name things, I would have surely have done it. Other than doing, like those activities, by I'm scared of heights, so anything related to heights, I would not be doing it.
Okay. So you don't go to hills?
I go to hills. Earlier, when I was small, my legs used to shiver, but now
Oh,
I somehow have managed to travel to hills, and that is the maximum thing what I can do
great.
because I have a height phobia. So when
Okay.
I see certain things, there are some activities done by in the air, or like cliff jumping. I just cannot do it because
That
again,
is
I'm
adventure sport.
horrified before that only, yeah.
Mm.
So these kind of sports, leaving to that, I have mostly done anything which is on the earth. I'm very much, inclined towards water. So
Mhm.
I love beaches. And very lately, I enrolled myself in salsa dance.
Wow,
So I've learned salsa, bachata, and kizumba.
great, great. You
And
must be keeping fit altogether on this.
so, not now, really. Last 1 year, like my job is such that it is all sitting job.
Mhm.
And, like I leave home by 9:30. I have to leave and reach office by 10. Until
Okay.
7 o'clock, I'm just sitting. So now
Okay.
my brain is working more than my body. So I would,
Absolutely. When you have a sedentary lifestyle,
yeah,
you are mentally you are overactive, but
yeah,
physically, your physique doesn't support your mental activities. So
yeah.
it
So
becomes a kind of
earlier,
mismatch, somewhere.
yeah, so earlier I was very active physically, and now I'm just active, you can say, as a hand to mouth, if I say, just for my lifestyle.
Okay.
Earlier, I used to do all the gymming. I did kizumba, like,
Mhm.
this dances. I had even done aerobics. But growing towards that, now I believe my brain is working more than my body, which I have
Okay.
realized very lately about myself. So,
Okay.
and being into real
So,
estate profession, you have to be really very much, emotionally and passionately into it, because it's it's a very large investment what, we are
absolutely, absolutely.
getting it done by people. So it's not a small thing that one has to be. A lot of responsibility is inclined towards it. And
Taking a cue from you, I am also very much emotionally attached to my profession since I am dealing in medicines, which
yeah.
involves human health and human life.
Hmm.
I have to serve quality at any cost.
Yes.
I have to give the end user who is buying the medicine at an MRP. I have to justify. वो हिंदी में बोलते हैं कि उसकी बददुआ नहीं लेनी है you know it has to be justified at all costs. So
So that
besides,
is what I would put in all the kind of work profile, that if you talk about profession is not only about earning money.
yeah,
But like if we talk about our personal front, we can very beautifully define our family, our wife, parents, our kids. But the similar way, I believe if we put the entire passion and emotion towards our work, because whatever XYZ has been spent, if you talk about a small medicine, if you are answerable to 50 rupees,
yes,
I'm answerable to 50 CR. It's the similar
absolutely.
thing, because if I am getting somebody invest in their dreams, and anybody who's buying a medicine is, investing for their health.
Very true.
So passion and emotions are really
They go
involved.
hand in hand
And
actually.
yeah, it has to
Yeah,
be.
your investors 50 CR is their life and death matter. For me, my
Correct.
customers 50 rupees is life and death matter. You know.
Exactly. So if we take it, I have few doctors who are my clients.
Yeah.
They are into medicine, and they were interested to buy property in Greece.
Mhm.
So we are selling Greece as Greece is offering permanent residency. So it is not what we are talking about a country. We
Okay.
are talking about a lifestyle,
Lifestyle.
non-polluted lifestyle. See, like here we have to stay in India, yes, but there are at times, you want for your when you are at par of the age, when you are retired, you want some places where you can spend some quality time,
Mm.
like luxury, which is attracted towards peace of mind. चाहे वो spiritually भी कह लो आप,
जी.
spiritually also, some people want कि मैं वादियों में चला जाऊं, मैं भगवान से connect हो जाऊं, मैं कुदरत के पास रहूं, like I believe there is a phase in everybody's life after certain responsibilities are over, they start thinking in that mindset.
True.
They want to have a relaxation mentally, and there when we sell their dreams or we corrupt their peace of mind by giving them wrong suggestions, we are actually, playing with their life.
That you can do only once. Now, if you have to sustain the long term in the same business,
Correct.
it is not about selling, it is about marketing. You have to do it again and again and again. You have to bring the trust of the customer. You don't have to sell, you have to make the customer take the right buying decision. You are a friend to him or her, and you are helping her to take the right buying decision. This is what I believe.
Yeah, so we are selling honesty is in one word, which I can say.
Yeah, absolutely.
So that is how it is. So talking about my kids, I have a elder daughter, like she just shifted in this January to Australia,
Australia.
and she's done her B.Ed. My son-in-law is an IT guy, and he's into IT profession now. They are struggling to settle in Australia,
Okay.
and my younger one is doing psychology honors in from Toronto, Canada,
Okay.
and so I'm again free to, live my life the way I want.
Great.
I have only one off in my official off, that is Tuesday, which is today.
Okay.
And the day starts very slow on this day,
Mm.
as there's so many household chores which are left because
Yeah,
I'm the housewife, I'm the working man, I'm everything to myself.
I can understand.
So there is only one day off in a week which I get, and I wish to do many things with leftovers for the
Okay.
entire week. And usme, I don't know how life is passing by. This year 24 has been running, I would say.
This is running. Very true.
We are standing in July, and I don't know how come this year is coming to an end so quickly.
Actually, you have to live by the day. Uh, every day is a new life right now. In the
Yeah,
morning, get up, pray to God, thank God that they given
yes,
us one more day to
absolutely.
do
So
something,
before
more
starting
creative,
my,
more productive, and
yeah,
we have to be socially relevant to the society during the day,
correct.
apart from doing our job. Yeah.
So before starting my day, I always, pray to God and we, because they are the only creators. And I am also inclined towards donations. So what, like sometimes I think, what are we doing in our life? We are just doing for ourselves
Yeah.
or our family. अगर मैं कोई बात करूँ, Nidhi is doing this, Nidhi is doing for daughters, Nidhi is a mother, Nidhi is working in real estate. But what other thing have I done for the universe? कोई अलग हटके मैंने ऐसा क्या किया जिसमें मैं कहूँ, other than me, there is something else
जी.
happening. So then there where I am very much keen, and I always find new places to donate,
Mhm.
like sometime blind school, old school, yeah, donating food to poor people on the road, and kuch na kuch, on daily routine. And I even keep a packet of biscuit कि जैसे हम, thinking, keeping that thought in a mind कि जब हम भगवान के पास जाते हैं कुछ मांगने या हाथ जोड़ने, we want God should listen to us.
Absolutely.
A similar way, if I feel that I'm standing on a red light, somebody is asking something from me, तो मेरे तरफ से ना नहीं निकलनी चाहिए. So So instead of money, then I plan to give them a packet of biscuit, which I buy from Patanjali. 100 rupees का pack आता है उसमें, and a small 4 biscuits का packet. Then I, plan to distribute that on a daily basis,
That
regular
way we are
basis.
like minded. मेरी गाड़ी
Yeah.
में भी हमेशा बिस्किट्स के पैकेट पड़े होते हैं.
हाँ, मतलब मेरे को ये
Street
होता है कि
lights
I
पे.
don't want to say no to anyone. So
Mhm.
this negative word no should not be there. So
Absolutely.
keeping that in mind, and छोटा छोटा जो हो पाता है हमारा, we are small people.
I
We
also spend my Diwali in old age home, sometimes in an orphanage. My birthday, I go and donate. Till I was not a senior citizen, every year, last 30 years, I donated blood on my birthday, you know. So like small activities, some small charitable, these keep organizing some Raksha Bandhan functions in the orphanage, and just going through brother sister ritual amongst these orphans, giving gift, exchanging gifts to each other like that. All these I had done like this, and
hmm,
I'm still into it actually.
that's so wonderful. So I believe other than ourselves also, they are like we have to do certain karmic account for the society.
Very right.
Uh, that is a part of spiritualism. That is the part of prayers, I would feel. And my favorite time pass, I would say, when I come back from my office, or how do I relieve my stress of the entire day when I'm working using my brain, because my speech and my brain is only working the entire day sitting on one chair.
Okay.
So I'm very much inclined towards mythological serials. I am very, very inclined. I don't know, there's a very lately change which is coming in me. Earlier, I was a party person. I used to club around a lot. But
Okay.
now I feel that, there's I'm not feeling complete in all those clubbing. So I'm becoming very introvert nowadays. So, that
Clubbing
kind
is
of,
all good for early, but it's all superficial, you know. You don't actually get into the soul of the other person there.
yeah.
Everybody is just so formal and they're out to show off only. That's
So
all.
I've started feeling
Yeah.
it's an artificial world
It's an artificial world. Yeah.
altogether. And
You you look
I'm
for
more
a advice.
attracted to I'm more attracted towards the reality of life.
Absolutely.
So when we go to places like these, if I talk about high profile clubs and all, so it's nothing is real. It's a fake smile, fake meeting, fake friendship, fake. So अब ऐसा लगता है कि you want to get out of all this,
नहीं
and
नहीं
you know
वो
you
तो
get
अपना
attracted towards
कोई
the
ड्रेस
reality.
दिखा के इम्प्रेस कर रहा है, कोई अपने कोई नया मकान बनाया है या अपने घर को रेनोवेट किया है,
Competition है, comparison है.
कंपैरिजन है,
Yeah,
और इनबिल्ट जेलसी भी है. मतलब
exactly.
वन अपमैनशिप बहुत ज्यादा हो गया है. वो फिर एट वन पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम यू हैव टू पुट योर फुट डाउन देयर कि दिस इज नॉट गोइंग टू लीड मी एनीवेयर.
Yes.
तो फिर आप इनर पीस अपना अपने सोल से बात करना शुरू करते हो, अपने आप से बात करना. वट एवर गिव्स यू peace, which is solace, and takes you to the path of what you call self actualization, and
Hmm.
अपने आप को redeem करते रहना.
Hmm.
वो अब फिर उन एक्टिविटीज में ज्यादा चले जाते हो like that.
Correct. So, बस life is becoming more simpler, life is becoming more peaceful, I would say. जितनी simple होती जा रही है उतनी peaceful होती जा रही है. And I've seen so much in my life. I was a very, very, very extrovert person. Always
Hmm.
surrounded with people around me. I was a people person. But अब वो
Same
क्या
here.
है, वो अब collectively compact होता जा रहा है. वो
जी
अब
जी.
बहुत ऐसे कहते हैं ना, one to one ज्यादा होता जा रहा है. And there's more
अपना
peace.
ये self love is not selfish. You start loving yourself.
That is
आपका
always
नंबर
there.
it should be a number one priority. उसके बाद your concerns should be your daughter. They are happy, they are settled, बस उनका हालचाल. And beyond that, I don't think you need anything else
Absolutely.
to
Absolutely correct.
spend rest of your life.
Yeah, we don't need anything. It's just that we kept on running around and wasted a lot of time. ठीक है, वो भी एक experience था,
जी
journey थी. But now I feel this is the right time, right thing.
जी.
So यही है. और बताएं यश जी आप, what
बस
more
ठीक है,
we
बिजी
can.
रखता हूँ अपने आप को. Hello,
Yeah, I'm there.
hello. Yeah,
I'm
you can
there.
hear me, na?
I'm
Yeah,
there.
I keep myself busy in day to day. Sorry,
I said I can hear you.
day to day. अच्छा, you can hear me. Okay. वो उसमें क्या है कि न्यू प्रोडक्ट देखो, फार्मा इज एन एवर ग्रोइंग एंड नेवर डाइंग फील्ड.
Yes,
Even in the face of severe recession, this is the only industry which grows.
correct.
If you are, if you are, in recession, you suffer from depression, you suffer from somatic, psychosomatic disorders. Again, you need medicines. No, you need antidepressants. So this is a field which is, as long as human life is there. So we keep looking for new molecules, new products, how we have to take it out of patent, how
Hmm.
we can develop it at our plant level, how we can hire the required technical force, the technical know-how. So this is one thing we keep developing, and but it's an ongoing dynamic process, which
Yeah,
keeps us busy and which helps us in making the life of the people more comfortable, more safer, and we feel very happy giving them what is the latest in the medical field, which is effective with least side effects, and it is cost effective also.
yes.
On these parameters, we keep working, and of course, I have a team. I keep developing them. Go to the plant and give them weekly training in their respective field. Somebody is working in quality assurance. Somebody is working in quality control. Some
Yeah.
is in production. Some is in warehouse. Some is in PPIC. Accordingly, we sharpen their skills. Give them what is the latest which has come in the industry. We impart. We not only develop sales. We also develop people, and give them ample chance to grow further in the industry, maybe with us or elsewhere.
Correct.
Yeah. So these are some constructive activities we keep doing, and in the meanwhile, taking care of ourselves, our health issues.
Firstly, it's so best that you are still, actively working.
Yes, so that is keeping me alive, Nidhi.
Yeah.
If I sit at home, I'll grow old very soon, and I'll invite so many diseases,
Yes.
you know, and I'll be a kind of a burden to the family and the society. So as long as I'm living, I want to be an asset to my family and the society.
So where is your office?
Office is in Chandigarh, Panchkula, to be
Acha,
more
you're
precise.
from Panchkula. Okay.
Yeah, Panchkula. My house is also in Panchkula, and
Okay. Chandigarh is a nice place.
yeah. Chandigarh is a beautiful city. It is a city where you get the quality of life of a bigger city and the charm of a small town also.
Yeah.
So this is a small town. When I say there are no traffic as it's like Gurgaon or Delhi.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Gurgaon and Delhi is completely commercial. Chandigarh
yeah,
is a very sorted and a very small city and nice city, I would say.
yeah. Even my farthest, let's say, business destination, if it is PGI, which is 15 kilometers, I can reach in 15 to 20 minutes on a broad road, uncrowded road.
Hmm.
So the time you save on traveling, the stress you save on traveling is more creatively and constructively used in your professional life. You
Yeah.
know, otherwise, like in Delhi and BP, people spend 2 hours to reach office, 2 hours to come back home. You are
Hmm.
neither in office nor at home. So that time is absolutely, kind of wasted. And on top of it, it causes stress to you.
Yeah,
So
correct.
that's why I chose this city after working in many cities in the country. I finally settled down, got myself a small home, and
So
just I'm now.
prior to that, you were from where?
I'm from Delhi only,
Acha.
but yeah, all my brothers they are now settled abroad, so nobody is there. So whoever gone anywhere, they are settled. One brother is in Thailand, one is in France, one is in
So you
USA.
don't wish
Like
to,
that.
like choose any international country?
No, I'm very happy with India.
Okay.
Yeah, because I have seen the people who are relatives who are settled there. There is an emotional vacuum there, and
Hmm.
they, वो अपनापन नहीं होता वहाँ पे. तो यहाँ पे मतलब it's altogether a different world actually. Yeah. If you have got enough resources, na, So India is a very good country. You can buy all facilities,
Hmm.
live comfortably, and also uh, contribute towards the growth of your motherland also.
Okay.
Yeah.
Correct. You have to have enough resources to live in India.
हाँ वो होने चाहिए आपके पास उतने रिसोर्सेस हो तो आप एक घर एक आपको क्या चाहिए यू नीड वन हाउस वन और टू कार्स है ना and all the amenities in the house
And what about the pollution and
and
the
you should be no there's no pollution here. We are
okay.
situated at the foothills
In
of
Chandigarh,
Himalayas.
you can talk about that.
Or I love mountains. Fortunately, I am situated at a place the mountains are very nearby. This Kasoli, Solan, Shimla. Every second weekend we go there, have nice dinner,
Okay.
enjoy mountains, enjoy the scenery, views, spend time, get some fresh air, come back.
Hmm.
That is a recreation and a rejuvenation for us. For and look forward to the next week like that.
Hmm. Okay.
So I think we had a very what do you say cozy one-to-one interaction, got to know each other much better. And anything else, if you would like to continue the discussion, otherwise, if you think it's okay, then we
I
can
just leave it on you because
call it a day also. Mm.
point taken.
Yeah,
We are carrying the same age, I believe.
yeah, absolutely. Yeah, same
How old are
mindset.
you?
Age के अलावा mindset is quite
Mindset is very
yeah.
similar. Yeah, mindset is similar
Because
because I've
whatever
said
you have
that.
learned in life, whatever life, it is time to give it back to the society, to the people around you, the people who
So,
matter.
what message would you like to give if in case like Rajiv Bhaiya, I don't know why this interaction has been put on YouTube is what I have understood. And if
Hmm.
supposing anybody sees this, the one message would you like to give whosoever is seen this conversation or even as a memory if it is kept?
The key message I would like to give is be a student all your life.
Okay.
Life never stops teaching, so you should never stop learning.
Hmm.
It's an evolving world, it's an evolving, and more so since I'm in pharmaceutical industry, it's an evolving industry. I've seen it in the last 40, 50 years, how it has grown, how it has changed, how multinationals have come, how multinationals have gone, how Indian markets have grown, and what are the difficult verticals of marketing which has been evolved and try to. So, I mean, I just want to conclude by saying that whatever field you are, number one, you have to master that. You have to keep learning by the day. And also, apart from that, whatever your hobbies, but now I'm writing article on socially relevant topics in newspapers. Say if hoarding has fallen in Ghatkopar, Mumbai, or if a fireman has been killed because of inadequate uh, safety gear he had, which was provided by the system, or there is a traffic chaos in a parking lot. I write on everything which I observe by the day while coming to office on my way or while going back. So I give my views, give my comments, which are duly published in Times of India, that is Chandigarh Times here, local, and also the Tribune, which is one of the very reputed newspapers of Chandigarh.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, adding to your message, I can only add on to this that we should be focused on a karmic account.
Focused on, sorry,
Karmic account, karmas.
karma. Yeah, yeah. Karma, whether you see
And
or not, it will catch up
karma,
with you sooner or later.
so karma, see, everybody does karma, but it depends what kind of thinking you're having. One has destructive karmas and one has productive karmas.
Absolutely.
So I believe whatever you are doing, whether it comes under learning, whether it comes under living, personal, professional, or it comes either for anybody else, it has to be in such a way that it should be beneficial for everybody.
Very true.
So that is all what I have learned from life, because situations are different. Good and bad time comes in everybody's life.
Everybody's life.
And whenever we have those kind of time where which is against us, our mindset, that is the time when we try to do, wrong things for others,
Mm-hmm.
start becoming selfish. So I believe that is the time when we really have to watch on our karmas. And in every situation, the only thing is mindset, and our working and our living life should be in a way that it has to be productive and not harmful for anybody.
Absolutely.
So that is all what I have learned from
If
life.
somebody has done wrong to you, karma will catch up with him also, na?
It's a life is a cycle.
Why you waste your energy in
Yes. So
taking
life
revenge?
is a cycle. Anybody, whatever has happened, because I believe what I've seen, that no one has been saved from anything.
Yeah.
How much ever learned you are, how much ever, rich you are. Ambani,
Every
being
day is a new
richest,
day, you know. Every day
Ambani,
you can encounter a situation which you have never experienced in your life earlier.
yeah.
That
So
can be new to you.
Ambani being the most richest, or any XYZ MP or
Hmm.
PM, being the most learned, until or unless we watch out on our karmas, we
Absolutely.
just, yeah. So that is very important.
The recent election results are, I mean, testimony to what you are saying actually.
Hmm.
The politicians who have grown in, what you call ahankar,
Hmm.
and then every time, I mean, to be more precise, our PM, while giving a speech 20 times, he calls his own name only,
Hmm.
as if he is the country, is above the country, is above everything. But ठीक है, the country wanted him as a PM, they have given him a PM's post, but he has been put in a place.
Hmm.
सब कुछ लगाम कस ली गई है, but now he is not overall, he is not the all in all, not
Hmm.
all powerful, but he is there. But these are lessons. This,
Hmm.
this is where karma comes in.
So that is all what I believe
I'm
is.
sorry, I didn't want to be any political, but since this
No,
example
no,
came,
it's okay. If you talk about politics and all, see, even we give vote, we are also part of this politics.
yes,
As
yes,
long as, see, if I talk about myself, whether I vote or whether I don't vote, I have to be part of it.
absolutely.
I have to be part of the corruption. I have to be part of all the things. Though if it's a mindset, I don't know when this, the mindset of the country will change, that it hatred is removed, which is impossible,
Absolutely,
which is
absolutely.
just impossible. So
This election was fought more on hatred actually, where one minority community was consistently pinpointed.
So I'm
And
not talking about the hatred जी दिरानी जेठानी में लड़ाई हो गई सास बहू में हो गई. It is about the country where we are affected. We have been
yeah,
born
yeah.
and brought up. If the country is our parent, if that's the house, then we are
Hmm.
being born and brought up in a polluted air. Our thinking, thought process are being polluted by not being productive. It's grown up in a destructive way. अगर मैं एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल ले लूं आपसे इंडिया पाकिस्तान का.
Hmm.
It's just the minor example where I believe सदियों से चला आ रहा है. चाइल्ड जैसे ही बच्चा पैदा होता है उसको पाकिस्तान से नफरत हो जाती है.
नफरत करा
और
दी
जैसे
जाती
ही
है
मुस्लिम
बच्चे
का
को.
यहाँ बच्चा पैदा हो जाता है तो वो हिंदू को अलग ढंग से देखता है.
You see, it is the political compulsion of the leaders of India and Pakistan to hate each other.
हम्म.
अगर आज कोई इंडिया का लीडर उठ के बोलता है कि मैं पाकिस्तान से हमें रिलेशन अच्छे करने चाहिए, बात कर, तो ही इज ऑन सोशल मीडिया बहुत एक्टिव है, इमीडिएटली लेबल्ड एज देशद्रोही. देश,
हम्म.
इसको अपने देश से प्यार नहीं, इसको पाकिस्तान की परवाह है. ऐसे
हम्म.
ही पाकिस्तान में है. तो इसलिए लीडर्स को ना हेट कैंपेन चलाना पड़ता है दूसरे कंट्री के लिए फॉर देयर ओन सर्वाइवल.
एग्जैक्टली.
हाँ,
ये सब उन्हीं का, हमारे जो
हाँ,
देश के माँ बाप हैं, ये सब
हाँ.
उन्हीं का ही खेल है. दैट हम जैसे बच्चे डिस्ट्रक्टिव माइंड में बड़े हो रहे हैं. And even our next generations are growing in the similar mindset. So
बिल्कुल.
this is what my prayers to God is, that the hatred should get over, and we should, so that not individually we should not fight for the peace, but actually we should have that confidence that we are living in a peaceful country.
एक्चुअली
So
बच्चे लोग ना, दे आर सपोज टू हैव गुड मैनर्स विदाउट सीइंग एनी. आज अब उनको स्कूल में पढ़ाते हो लव दाई नेबर एज देयर सेल्फ. आप उनको दूसरी तरफ पढ़ाते हो पाकिस्तान से नफरत करो. पाकिस्तान
hmm,
हमारा नेबर ही है ना. like just to give a live example. तो इसी दुनिया में वो जी रहे हैं, उनको पढ़ाया कुछ जाता है और एग्जाम्पल कुछ और सेट किया जाता है उनके
That's what I'm saying. It's increasing. बढ़ता जा रहा है. तो मैं
आगे।
यही prayers हैं. I would really salute that politician who can, remove the hatred and the difference between the religions. तो
And
बस यही है.
if you look at the larger picture after independence, the way India has grown and the way Pakistan has gone down, there is no comparison.
हम्म.
कोई कंपैरिजन है ही नहीं है, उसको ही हम दबाते रहो, एक कमजोर कंट्री है उसी को। अब पाकिस्तान कमजोर है तो आप घर में घुस के मारोगे और अपनी पीठ थपथपाओगे, है ना। और चाइना बहुत मजबूत कंट्री है,
हाँ.
अगर वो हमारे इन्वेजन करता है, अरुणाचल में आके गांव बसा लेता है, 30 जगह के नाम बदल लेता है, तो आप शांत तो चुप हो, क्योंकि वो मजबूत है। अब आपको मालूम है कि हम उसका मुकाबला नहीं कर सकते।
हम्म.
तो वो अगर देखो आपकी एक्सटर्नल अफेयर्स पॉलिसी अगर कंसिस्टेंट है, तो अगर आपका जो नेशन की बॉर्डर्स हैं उसको आपके सिक्योरिटी को इंटैक्ट रखना है, तो इट शुड बी फॉर ऑल कंट्रीज ना।
करेक्ट.
तो वही है, यहाँ पे एनामोलीज हैं काफी ज्यादा।
हाँ जी.
तो बट ठीक है, अब हम लोग कुछ कर नहीं सकते, हम लिख लेंगे, बोल लेंगे, डिस्कस कर लेंगे, इवेंचुअली वी हैव टू लर्न टू लिव विद इट।
यस, वी हैव टू लर्न टू लिव विद इट. क्योंकि अगर मैं भी ये बात बोल रही हूँ तो मेरे में इतने भी ताकत नहीं है कि मैं कुछ भी बदल सकूं. मैं बस अपने आप को बदल सकती हूँ,
अपने आप को
अपने नियरेस्ट फैमिली मेंबर्स को बदल सकती हूँ. कि जब इंडिया पाकिस्तान का मैच होता है तो बेटा जब पाकिस्तान जीतता है तो तब भी जश्न मनाने वाला वक्त है.
एब्सोल्युटली
क्योंकि
एट द
दे
एंड ऑफ द
हैव
डे जो
वन
टू
बिकॉज
टीम्स
ऑफ
जो है
देयर
प्लेड,
हार्ड वर्क. डोंट सी कि वो अफसोस मत मनाइए कि पाकिस्तान जीत गया. उनकी आपको हार्ड वर्क पे एम्फसाइज करना, आपको कंट्री पे एम्फसाइज नहीं करना. सो दिस व्हाट आई कैन डू इज विद माय ऑल नियरेस्ट family members, but I cannot change the thought of a country. That is not in my hand.
at the end of the day two teams are playing, the team which played better on a particular day won. It
Hmm.
is as simple as that. उसको आप एकदम जिंदगी मौत का सवाल बना लो। पाकिस्तान में भी टीवी फोड़े जाएंगे, जुलूस निकलेंगे। इंडिया में भी आई रिमेम्बर वंस व्हेन इंडिया लॉस्ट, युवराज सिंह के घर में पत्थर फेंके गए थे लड़ाई में। तो
Hmm.
ये थोड़ा सा ओवर रिएक्शन जो है ना, वो शायद है हमारे इंडिया वालों के डीएनए में ज्यादा है ना।
Hmm.
वो भी इनकलकेट किया गया है कहीं ना कहीं से ना। अभी
जी.
इसको अच्छा राष्ट्र, बेटर राष्ट्र, साफ सुथरा, करप्शन फ्री राष्ट्र बनाने की बात नहीं करेंगे, हिंदू राष्ट्र बनाने की बात करेंगे।
Hmm.
ठीक
बिल्कुल सही कह रहे हैं.
है, हाँ जी। तो आई हेट पॉलिटिक्स बट आई ऑलवेज लव टू कमेंट ऑन पॉलिटिक्स। मेरे काफी आर्टिकल्स इसके रिलेटेड भी आते रहते हैं इसमें।
Hmm.
तो लोग कहते हैं ये तो गद्दार है, ये तो वह है, वो गांधी फैमिली का चमचा है। मैं कहा ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, जो राइट है वो राइट है। अगर मोदी ने कुछ अच्छा किया तो मोदी के लिए भी अच्छी बात है। और ये देखिए कॉर्पोरेट टैक्स में जो न्यू रिच है, अंबानी अडानी का आपने नाम लिया, उनका तो कॉर्पोरेट टैक्स कम कर दिया आपने, फार्मर को टैक्स कर दिया, मिडिल क्लास को टैक्स कर दिया। आज एक 5 किलो राशन दे रहे हो आप, 5 किलो राशन आप अगर सब्सिडाइज रेट पे लो तो इट विल कॉस्ट अराउंड 100 रुपीज समथिंग लाइक दैट। 100 रुपया उसको दे के वाह वाही लूट के अपनी पीठ थपथपा के, महीने में आप उसकी पेंसिल, उसके बच्चे की पेंसिल, रबड़, शार्पनर, कॉपी, किताब, दूध, दही, आटा, चीनी, सब पे आपने जीएसटी लगा दिया। वो भी तो उसको चाहिए ना राशन के अलावा।
Hmm.
तो वो आप 500 से 700 रुपये उससे एक्स्ट्रा वसूल कर लिए, उसको 100 रुपये का राशन देंगे। तो
तो देखिए
ये
मैं यश,
ये
एक एक ही चीज मैं ये कहती हूँ. मुझे अपने भारत देश से ये नहीं किया कि आई एम अगेंस्ट माय कंट्री. आई एम बोर्न एंड बॉट अप हियर, बट यस द वर्किंग इन दिस कंट्री इज नॉट करेक्ट. इट्स नॉट बैलेंस्ड
हम्म,
एंड नॉट राइट डिसीजंस. क्योंकि ना ये गरीबों के लिए अच्छा, ना मिडिल क्लास के लिए. यस, हम इंडिया में ये सोचते हैं, जैसे आपने एक सवाल किया और जवाब दिया कि इंडिया इज अ नाइस कंट्री अगर आपके पास लग्जरी है,
लग्जरी
ऐसा
है।
है. बट मैं ये कहती हूँ कि ऐसी कंट्रीज जहां लग्जरी ना भी हो और आप सेफ हो, उससे
हम्म,
बढ़िया कोई कंट्री नहीं है.
ओके,
क्योंकि एवरीबडी कैन नॉट अफोर्ड टू बाय लग्जरी. प्लीज
एब्सोल्युटली।
अंडरस्टैंड. इफ टुडे यू कैन, टुमारो somebody cannot.
देखो इंडिया से
तो
माइग्रेट
जो
कौन लोग
हमारे
करते हैं?
देश ने हमें वो सेफ्टी सिक्योरिटी नहीं दी है। आज अगर मैं कहूँ, मैंने अपने बच्चे बाहर भेजे, बहुत कुछ सैक्रिफाइसेस करके भेजे उसका, या मैं कहूँ कि मैंने काफी फैमिली, आई हैव 8 cousins हु आर स्टेइंग इन यूएसए। तो
हम्म।
चाहे उनको लेबर वर्क खुद करनी पड़ती है, सारे काम खुद करने पड़ते हैं, चाहे वो बर्तन धोने हो, कपड़े धोने हो, बट एक चीज है कि देयर लाइफ इज वैल्यूड बाय द गवर्नमेंट।
ओके, लाइफ इज वैलिड। यू
वहां
आर
पर
द
एवरी
रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी।
एवरी एनिमल लाइफ इज वैल्यूड बाय द गवर्नमेंट।
राइट।
आवर लाइफ इज नॉट वैल्यूड बाय द गवर्नमेंट।
हमारे यहाँ से जो लोग माइग्रेट करते हैं या तो बहुत गरीब होते हैं, बेटर लाइफ बेटर अपॉर्चुनिटीज की तलाश में जाते हैं, चाहे वो डोंकी रूट से जाएं, कैसे जाएं, ये आपके फर्जी वाले ट्रैवल एजेंसीज है उनके हाथों भी
आज
बहुत
मैं
लोग
फिफ्टी
मिलते हैं।
थ्री ईयर्स की अपने देश में रह रही हूँ, यहीं पली बड़ी हूँ, यहाँ मैंने 53 ईयर्स दिए हैं अपने। बट मेरे को खुद ही पैसा खर्च करके अपनी सेहत का ध्यान रखना है, अपनी सिक्योरिटी का ध्यान रखना है, अपना पेट भरना है। और अगर मुझे कुछ हो जाए तो हॉस्पिटल में धक्के मैंने ही खाने हैं।
नहीं
व्हाट विल माय कंट्री डू टू हेल्प मी?
नो नो,
बट इफ आई टेल
you
यू,
have to buy,
इफ आई
you have
वर,
to buy your own insurance policy.
yes, if I go to any other country and if I would have given these 53 years,
हम्म।
आपको पता है there are certain age where government takes care of you.
बिल्कुल।
आज मैं टैक्स भी ले रहे हैं मुझसे, मेरे को मेरा देश क्या दे रहा है बताइए? मैं एक
हम्म,
सिंगल वुमन हूँ, क्या दे सकता है वो मुझे? क्या सिक्योरिटी सेफ्टी या क्या केयर दे सकता है? हाँ,
नहीं।
मेरे को खुद ही कमाना है और अपने लिए नौकर रखना
और अपने आप को सेफ और सिक्योर भी रखना।
है। मेरे को खुद ही कमाना है
यू
जो
हैव टू फेंड फॉर योरसेल्फ।
यस, मेरे को गार्ड भी खुद रखने हैं, सब कुछ खुद रखना है।
जी।
सी, एडिंग ऑन टू एक्स्ट्रा लग्जरीज कुड बी माइन, लेकिन एक बेसिक नीड्स ऑफ अ ह्यूमन बीइंग taken care by the government after paying X amount of tax to the government
यस,
is not there in a country called India.
एब्सोल्युटली। आप गाड़ी खरीदते हो, गाड़ी का टैक्स देते हो, फिर रोड टैक्स देते हो रोड पे चलने के लिए, फिर चलने के लिए टोल टैक्स देते हो, तो फिर आप उसके बाद पेट्रोल डलवाते हो उस पर कितना टैक्स देते हो, डीजल डलवाते हो उस पर कितना टैक्स देते हो। तो ये तो मतलब दिस इज फ्लीजिंग एक्चुअली।
कोरोना में, इफ आई टॉक अबाउट इन दिस कोरोना, आपको पता है यूएसए में हर इंसान को वहां $2000 मिले हैं
यस,
खर्चे के।
आई गॉट फ्यू रिलेटिव्स स्टेइंग देयर,
मेरे
तो
my relatives, they have told me they used to get every month $2000
बिल्कुल।
because there was no job, there was no work.
वेरी
Why? Because they have that citizenship over there,
ट्रू।
not to the immigrants but to the citizens.
वेरी ट्रू।
आज मैं बताऊं मेरा कोरोना में क्या हाल था, मुझ जैसे का, एक
हम्म।
मिडिल क्लास वाले का। सो दिस इज व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, व्हेन वी कंपेयर देन आई फील कि भाई, आई से कि अपने बच्चों को कि आप अभी से शुरू करोगे, आप अपनी एज में जब 50 के आओगे तो आप तब तक एक सिक्योर्ड कंट्री में रहोगे
कंट्री
जहाँ
में रहो।
आपका ध्यान रखा जाएगा।
नहीं, अब तो आपके पास भी ऑप्शन है ना, बाय वर्च्यू ऑफ योर रियल डॉटर स्टेइंग देयर, अगर उनको सिटीजनशिप मिलती है तो आपको भी मिल जाएगी।
After 5 years
आफ्टर
later.
5 years you
But
will also
what
get
I'm
it.
talking about my past and now, that is why I made their future,
हम्म।
which now I cannot do it, I did for them. This is what I believe. आज मैं कहती हूँ हर पेरेंट को अगर शादी में वो 2 करोड़ रुपए लगाता है तो उसके बदले उसको किसी कंट्री का पीआर दे देना चाहिए, कि ठीक है कभी अगर
एब्सोल्युटली।
आगे जाके अगर कहीं कुछ चेंजेस करने तो कर सकते हैं। पीआर हो गया जी। ग्रीस में अगर आप पीआर लेते हो तो आपको एजुकेशन, आपको हेल्थ केयर सिस्टम फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट है। यू हैव अ हाउस देयर, आई हैव अ हाउस इन इंडिया, बट नथिंग इज फ्री फॉर मी।
बिल्कुल।
एम्स जैसे हॉस्पिटल है, एक दो हॉस्पिटल या सफदरजंग जैसे, जहां लोग मर रहे हैं बाहर खड़े होके, जहां बेड ही नहीं है।
बेड ही नहीं है,
क्यों? क्योंकि
इमरजेंसी
वहां
के
उन
बाद
लोगों,
स्ट्रेचर्स नहीं है, लोग सड़क
हाँ,
पे पड़े हुए हैं।
उन लोगों के लिए पलंग है जो रिश्वत दे सकते हैं। सो दैट इज व्हाट आई एम सेइंग कि इतनी आबादी के होने के बाद, इतनी आबादी है लेकिन फैसिलिटी नहीं है आबादी से, दे डोंट नो। और टैक्स लेकिन हर आबादी से दे रहा है। तो
बिल्कुल।
एड ऑन करें ना, इतनी एम्प्टी स्पेसेस है, इतनी बिल्डिंगें खड़ी हो रही है, उसके बदले इनको हॉस्पिटल्स ऐड ऑन करने चाहिए।
हाँ, वही गवर्नमेंट की प्रायोरिटीज गलत है, वो मंदिर बनाएंगे ना, तो
हाँ,
सारा पैसा मंदिर पे
हॉस्पिटल
लगेगा,
जो लोग
हॉस्पिटल पे
हैं,
थोड़ी बनाएंगे।
हाँ, जो जिंदा लोग चल रहे हैं उनके
हाँ।
लिए हॉस्पिटल ऐड करिए। जो 4 हॉस्पिटल है उसके बदले 15 करिए, 20
जी।
करिए, ताकि हर किसी को फैसिलिटी मिल जाए।
तो आपकी जो थॉट प्रोसेस के लोग हैं, अभी मैं आपसे कह रहा था कि ओनली द पुअर आर माइग्रेटिंग टू लुक फॉर अ बेटर लिविंग, लेकिन अब जो नोआ रिच है, जो बहुत पैसे कमा लिए, वो भी जा रहे हैं क्योंकि उनको पता है कि इंडिया में हमारा बहुत सारा पैसा, हमारी कमाई का हिस्सा टैक्स में जा रहा है.
Hmm.
I've seen some people settling in
People
countries like
settling in, they are
Dubai.
investing.
दुबई चले गए बहुत
Dubai,
लोग.
exactly. I was coming up with them.
हाँ,
Why? Because they don't want to
हाँ,
pay tax.
yes. तो एटलीस्ट जो आप कमा रहे हो तो यू आर एंजॉयिंग दैट मनी ना.
Yes.
यू आर नॉट
जब
पेइंग एनी
मैंने
टैक्स.
अपना ध्यान खुद रखना है तो मैं इन लोगों को टैक्स क्यों दूं?
क्यों दो?
मेरी सोच यही आएगी, मैं फिर
बिल्कुल.
उस जगह पे जाऊं जहां मेरे को टैक्स देना ना पड़े, और वही पैसा जो मैं टैक्स बचा रही हूँ वो अपने ऊपर ध्यान रखूं मैं।
दिस इज अ
ये
वेरी.
थिंकिंग किसने बनाई? व्हाई द थॉट प्रोसेस इज चेंजिंग?
बिल्कुल.
Because we are not being taken care of by our parents of the country.
पेरेंट्स ऑफ द कंट्री, ये उनका नाम आपने बहुत सही रखा. तो एनीवेज, हमारे काफ़ी व्यूज़ कई चीज़ों में बहुत मैच कर रहे हैं, और काफ़ी इट वाज अ गुड
Yeah, it was
kind of
good
interaction and
conversation.
learning also.
Yeah,
And
though I missed, I really wish to connect again and with
yeah,
much more prepared by so that my video can be on. Just excuse me again for that. But
yeah.
it was lovely conversation. I believe, Rajiv Bhaiya, if you can come on the
Thank you,
system.
Nidhi. It's same here also. I
Yeah,
also felt very elated. And in fact, I was excited to have a conversation with you. When Rajiv gave your introduction, I was quite impressed. And I wish you all the best in your career growth, and hope.
thank you so much, and I wish you the same for your good health and having the similar
I need
thought
good health
process.
only right now.
Yeah.
Rest everything I have got.
You are taking care of health of the society, so I believe you will have good health
Yeah, I do. I
forever.
do take. Yeah.
Yeah.
But there are certain age-related things, which beyond your control. But you can, yeah, slow that down by taking proper precaution,
Yeah.
diet, exercises, dietary, restrictions and all that. You can manage.
The only thing what I can say is keep your mind relaxed. When
Yes,
your mind is relaxed, you will not face any kind of issues
very
because it's a mind game and our body is ruled by our mind. So any kind of thought process, extra thoughts or stress. See, I have also struggled throughout my life. I would say if there has to be another meeting where point wise I would tell you how many times I've fallen down in life, how many times I've got up again and I've started walking. But those I've taken as my learning. I have not spoiled my karmic account in that phase of my life.
yeah,
That
yeah,
is all what I've, that is why I always say, and I've learned from life कि बुरे वक्त के बाद अच्छा वक्त आता है, बट उस बुरे वक्त में हमें कैसे रहना है वो हमारी शिक्षा होती है.
absolutely. और वही वक्त है, अगर आप उसको ठीक से निकाल लेते हो तो इट मेक्स यू मोर रिजिलियंट, स्ट्रोंगर, और आपका मेच्योरिटी लेवल भी एक डिफरेंट लेवल पे चला जाता है.
Correct.
तो हाँ
That's
जी.
the biggest learning.
Yeah,
And life is a teacher, yes, as you said.
absolutely.
And we should be positive in accepting and adapting all the
Very right.
learnings. So, with a positive mindset. And I
Okay.
would say gratitude. Thank you to the universe. Thank you to Rajiv.